Hey everybody, it's your girl Sharpen with the Trade Masters, aka Professor Forex. I went to the dentist. My mouth was a little numb, so I'm mumbling a little bit. But I just wanted to come and tell you guys that I will be teaching another class, another free class, this Friday, 7/12/24 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. I teach people how to be profitable in the foreign exchange market. I don't teach gimmicks. I teach foundational information. And if you're biblically based, you know that anything without a sure foundation is sure to crumble. So I'm going to give some gems and some jewels this Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you're interested in joining me, send me a direct message and I will share the Zoom link with you guys. I will start on time. I'm going to do a few little introductory things, but nothing too long, because if you know me, you know I don't like to waste people's time. I usually get right into the teaching. It is free. You can share this link with any and everybody that you choose to share it with. I saw something on IG today that said that you shouldn't give people too much information, because they will either feel like they can take the information you gave and apply it and be successful, or they won't buy your course and whatever. I kind of get that. I kind of get it, but at the same time, it's like people, when you promise them something, I don't like to sell people short, right? So sometimes I do give too much information, but it's not too much that you can't apply it. So if you ever consider trading in the foreign exchange market, and everybody's talking about it, you don't know anything about it, you're scared to do it, just join me this Friday. I'm going to go over some basic information, what it is, how to look at it through the lens of simplicity, because that's one of the things I like to do. I like to take complex concepts and make them easy for people to understand, because anything that is easy to understand, you really retain it, right? So I like to use analogies to introduce concepts that people don't know about. So I'll take something that is simple, everyday, constant interactions that you have, and tie them into a skill set that you don't know. And before you know it, you'll understand the concept of trading. So again, I teach people how to trade in the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market has been very good to me. By the way, if you follow me, I told you that I was going to get my dream car. I got the dream car. It is a Genesis GV80. So it has allowed me to purchase a home. It has allowed me to purchase my dream car. It has allowed me to be debt free. I can't really say that the foreign exchange market took the student loans away, because that was forgiven. That was $92,000 forgiven. So this is a side note. If you have not applied for your student loan to be forgiven, please do it. If you don't get it, okay, but at least try to get it. I digress. All right, so if you want to join me, come and join me. I will be on time. I'll start my stuff on time. If you're late, you might miss some stuff. So join me this Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. Again, if you need the link, you message me and I will give you the link. And I'm going to go through some fundamentals of how to trade in the foreign exchange market. I will see you guys then. Bye.